Hello and welcome to Study Focus. I am Shivam Sutrodhar. Today I will discuss the Stone Age. This is the part of the Indian ancient history. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. But before you go to the description links and click the Telegram channel and download the PDF of the video. So the Stone Age. What is Stone Age? The age when the prehistoric man began to use stones for utilitarian purpose is termed as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into three broad divisions. This is Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic or Stone Age from unknown till 8000 BC, and the Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age, which is during 8000 BC to 4000 BC, and the Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age, which is during 4000 BC to 2500 BC. The names of these periods all derive from the Greek word lithos, a stone, and refer to the material used for tools. So paleo means old, meso means middle or between, and neo means new. Originally these were all about of together as the Stone Age. The famous Bhimbetka caves near Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh belong to the Stone Age and are famous for their cave painting. The art of the prehistoric man can be seen in all its glory, with the depiction of wild animals, hunting scenes, ritual scenes, and scenes from day-to-day life of the period. The exact date of this painting is not certain, but the oldest paintings are as old as 12,000 years. Let us see the Paleolithic Age. The term Paleolithic was coined by archaeologist John Lubbock in 1865 and refers to a prehistoric era distinguished by the development of the first stone tools. The Paleolithic period is characterized by simple bands of hunters. The human beings living in this age were essentially food gathering and depend on nature for food. They did not know how to grow crops and raise livestock, or did they build houses. The basic technique of making these crude tools was by taking a stone and flaking its sides with a heavier stone. These tools were characteristics of the Paleolithic age and were very rough. Traditionally, the Paleolithic is divided into three periods: Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic and Upper Paleolithic. On the basis of the nature of stone tools made by human beings, as well as due to the change in the climate and environment. The Lower Paleolithic is the earliest subdivision of the Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. The tools of this phase include mainly hand axes, cleavers, choppers, and chopping tools. Middle Paleolithic tool pattern is based upon flakes and dominant tool types being blades, points, or boards. The Upper Paleolithic is characterized by burins and scrapers. Let us see the Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic period is roughly dated between 10,000 BC to 6,000 and 4,000 BC. It was a transitional phase between the Paleolithic and Neolithic age. Towards the end of the Paleolithic, the ice age ended and the glacier retreated and melted. This was rise in temperature and the climate became warm and dry. The climatic change affected human life and brought about changes in fauna and flora. The technology of producing stone also underwent a change. Mesolithic period is technically characterized by microlithic or small stone tools. In the Mesolithic age, the stone tools began a made more pointed and sharp. This age also saw domestication of cows, horses, and other poultry and farm animals. Their products were used for dairy and meat items. Sites like Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, Pratapgarh, Mirzapur are rich in Mesolithic art and painting. The painting and engraving depict activities like sexual union, childbirth, rearing of child, and burial ceremony. All these indicate that during the Mesolithic period, social organization had become more stable than the Paleolithic times. Let us see the Neolithic age. The Neolithic age, 4000 BC to 2500 BC, or the New Stone Age, was the last phase of the Stone Age. This is characterized by the use of polished stone tools and beginning of cultivation of crops. Cultivation of cereals like barley, wheat, and rice and developments in agriculture transformed the nomadic hunter gathering into a sedimentary farmer, which led to the beginning of village settlements. The four major characteristic traits that represent Neolithic culture are beginning of the practice of agriculture, domestication of animals, use of polished stone tools, the manufacture of pottery. The Neolithic age quickly gave way to a number of small cultures that were highly technical. These people used copper and bronze to make a range of utilitarian tools. The phase or period is termed as the Chalcolithic age. A number of such sites have been found in the Chotanagpur Plateau region and Upper Gangetic Basin, Karnataka, and near the banks of river of Narmada. So let us see the important sites of the Stone Age. Upper Paleolithic age, Sohan Valley, West Punjab, that means Pakistan, Narmada Valley, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Kurnul Caves, Andhra Pradesh, Sabarmati Valley, Gujarat, Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, Falgam, Kashmir, Hathnoda, Madhya Pradesh, and Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Middle Paleolithic is Nevasa, Maharashtra, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, Bagor, Rajasthan, Singhbhum, Jharkhand, Karmali Valley, Rajasthan, Soan Valley, Pakistan, Narmada Valley, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Didwana in Rajasthan. Lower Paleolithic is Balen Valley, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Bagor, Rajasthan, Singhbhum, Jharkhand, Buddha Pushkar, Rajasthan. Mesolithic period, Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Tilwara, Rajasthan, Damdama, Uttar Pradesh, Pachmari, Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, Gaurigundam, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Neolithic is Burjahom, Kashmir, Mehergarh, Balochistan, Daujoli Harding, Assam, Mahaghara, Uttar Pradesh, Hallur, Karnataka, Kubgal, Karnataka, Kodaikal, Karnataka, Utnur, Andhra Pradesh, Piklihal, Andhra Pradesh, Poyampalai, Tamil Nadu. This is all about Stone Age. This is the end of the video. Stay tuned and stay safe.